Hi everybody, it's Lori from HomeRite, and today's video is all about starting herbs from seeds. And we're going to take you along in our journey on how we get our seeds started indoors for our backyard garden. So let's get into it. In the past, we have gone ahead and made our own seed starting mix, but we were using some coupons and found a deal. This is a 60-pound bag of Pro Mix. So we're using this year for our seed starting. I have gone ahead and pre-moistened the seed starting mix. And I've gone ahead and filled these trays. These trays are 72 cell trays from Neversink Farm, and I've been liking these. They're a nice, good, solid plastic. What I really like about these is they have this little line on the side to help with the aeration, and they have really big holes on the bottom side of the tray. And I think these will work perfect for our herbs. Next is adding my little dimples for each one of the cells. So here's the seeds that we're doing this year. Here's the cilantro. I saved seeds from last year. Then I also have some parsley. Did those last year, loved them. I got a little bit of holy basil here. Did those last year, they were a good performer. Some bush spicy globe. They actually look like this and they make this perfect little round bush. So cute in the garden and delicious. Some Genovese sweet basil, and then the last one here is some lemon balm. For a lot of these, for the lemon balm and all these basils, we actually have gone ahead and done basil teas, and I'll leave a link down below on how we do the basil teas, because if you haven't tried that yet, it is absolutely delicious, and I highly recommend you trying that. Now for setting up my tray, I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 rows for each one of the herbs. Don't forget to go ahead and pre-label all your things, because it's not unusual to forget what you have in the garden. So if you pre-label it, it makes it easier to stay organized. So now the question is, how many seeds do you put in each cell tray? For me, my best effort, I'm gonna try to put about 3 seeds, depending on the size of the seed. If the seeds are a little bit smaller, it might be a little bit more, but like for these are the cilantro seeds. Probably try to get 3 seeds per cell. I'll give these guys a little squirt on the top for a little extra moisture, not too much because I've already pre-moistened the soil. Then I'll cover my seeds to keep the moisture in. The last step is sticking these on my grow racks, but I do not need the lights on yet. But I do want to keep the temperature somewhere between 60 to 70 degrees in order for these guys to germinate. There are a couple other herbs that I didn't talk about. I will be starting dill, but I'll do that in a separate container. And then I also have some herbs that are outside that are perennials. I have rosemary, thyme, and oregano in the garden. And I do have a sage in our Out Sunny greenhouse and some bay leaf that's out in the Out Sunny greenhouse. I may start another batch of sage because I think I only have 1 plant out there. So I do want to have at least another backup plant out there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.